Start auger. Check and make sure auger is running. You have two motors, one in the front and one on the end auger. Go to the top door, open it up, and pull the pan out that's on the top. See, there's ash in it. After the pan is dumped, put it back in the stove. You have two levers, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the right is the one that pushes the door up, and the one on the left is the one that pushes the door down. After you have pushed the door down, start cleaning the tubes. It's essential to get the cleaner all the way to the end. It's got to hit the back of the stove. After cleaning all the tubes, you will have a little bit of ash sitting on the top of the bottom door. It's good to take a broom and clean that off. Or you can use an ash vac and suck it off, whichever you want. After you've cleaned the top tubes, go ahead and close the door in the back. Then close the top door. Take your cleaning rod and run on each side of the burn pot. That will make sure that there's no ash getting stuck anywhere, and it'll all go down into the ash auger. After doing that, pull the front plate off. As you can tell, there's a V in there. That's where all the ash goes. But there's two doors on the pot, one on the right, one on the left. As you open them up, clean them out, either by using your hand and letting it fall into the ash auger, or using a ash vac, whichever one you want. Close up the doors and make sure they seal up again. Take your broom and clean off the ledge, or use an ash vac, whichever you want. Put the plate back in and shut the door. Now, it's always good to check and make sure that the ash is going into the auger. We provide an inspection door to check that out. As you can tell, the ash is coming out but the wind is blowing. It depends on what size barrel you have, but it's always good to put the auger resting on whatever you are using to capture the ash. Make sure you always use a steel band of some type. Never use plastic. When the ashes ran completely out of it, it'll be time to turn it off.